We are live.
We have our patient Goldenrod. Goldenrod, you're going to feel something cold. Goldenrod has a thing. How long you had this thing on your back?
My whole life.
It's a mole, right? We call it a thing just for fun. And has it ever bled or changed recently or anything like that?
No.
Okay, so you want us to remove this for you, correct?
Yes.
What's you going to feel, Gumby Jean?
Stick, sting, gonna burn.
Here it comes. Little stick. Sting. You feeling the sting and a burn? Good. Nice and slow. We'll take it slow. Now come. Yeah, that was.
The whole mold changed colors.
Yeah. Put a little bit more in for you. There we go. All right. So what we're going to do is what's called a punch biopsy. This is a little tool that we use to do biopsies. And in this case, it's large enough that we can actually do the biopsy and remove the mole at the same time. Pretty cool, huh?
Pretty cool.
All right, so we're gonna put that right over the mole and then just twist gently. You feeling anything?
No.
You might feel a little pressure, but you shouldn't feel any pain. If you feel any pain, say, I felt that. Make sure that we have it. Make sure we're deep enough. That should do it right there. So this is a very simple office procedure. It can be done in almost any office. Most offices would do this, right? This is very simple. So we're going to grasp firmly the lesion and we're going to snip it off with these scissors. Slowly. The mole has been removed.
I didn't feel anything. Good.
That's what we want. We don't want you to feel anything. And so we want to be sure we're completely removed, and I think we are. All right, so we'll put a stitch in real quick, and then we will be done. And we'll send this to the pathologist, and the pathologist will tell us that it is a benign nevus, or nevus, right? Which is a mole. And will not need to have anything else done. Hopefully, but I'm pretty sure it is. You didn't feel any pain?
No, not at all.
Good for you. All right, so we'll take that stitch out in about a week for you, and we'll let you know when we get the pathology reports.
Sounds good.
Goldenrod, you are awesome. Thanks for letting us record your procedure for all our friends.
Bye.
Okay, so in your own words, tell us about your experience with Meta 7.
If I don't take Meta 7, I have absolutely no energy whatsoever and I feel yucky. When I take Meta 7, it gives me enough energy to make it through the day and it makes me feel better.
Now, you don't mind me asking, you do have diabetes, right?
I do have diabetes.
Tell us how your diabetes has done. How have you done with your diabetes since you've been taking Meta 7?
Well, my numbers are absolutely wonderful. Just got tested today and it was 5.4.
5.4.
And my doctor Gilmore said it was the help of the Meta 7.
That's right.
Those are very well under control.
Wonderful. So you're doing a great job. You're working hard with your diet.
I am.
Okay, and your diabetes is under outstanding control.
Wonderful.
And you feel good because you're taking Meta 7 every day.
Yes.
Gives you the energy you need to do what you want to do.
It does.
You're awesome. Thanks for letting me do a little video.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.